In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a gift code on Spotify. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So you can start off on the Spotify app on your desktop, or you can just do it on a browser, because if you want to redeem a gift code, what it will do is it will open up your browser anyway. So just start on your browser, and then what you can do once you have signed in to Spotify is come to the top right hand corner and then go to Profile. Once you go to Profile, click on the drop down menu, and then you will need to select Account. Once you select Account, you'll be brought over to this page here, and from here all you need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then on the left hand side bar here, as you can see, there is an option there for Redeem. If you click on Redeem, you'll be brought to this page here, and then what you need to do is just enter in the PIN of your gift code. So for example, once you have put in your gift code, all you need to do then is click this capture to enable that you are not a robot. And then what you need to do is select the green continue button here, and then because obviously my code isn't a valid code, it has not accepted it, but if your code is valid, what that will do is it will enable and activate your code, so let's say you can go ahead and redeem a gift code on Spotify.